you like some more water? So how was your day, honestly? Because my day was pretty fantastic, honestly. Yeah, honestly. So what you want to eat? Cause I think I want some crawfish, honestly. Honestly, yeah. I think I want some crawfish. Yeah. You wanna maybe touch me? Yeah. Don't ever touch me again like that. Cause I don't like germs, honestly. Germs are pretty gross, honestly. Don't ever touch me like that again. I don't ever wanna. Don't ever think about touching me, honestly, cause we're gonna hook, honestly. We'll go use the restroom right quick, honestly. Be right back. Alright. I didn't even order this. You ordered some food? Because I did not order this. What is this? What is this? Smell like hot Cheetos. I mean, I still eat it. You want to say a blessing? Just say a blessing, honestly. Thank you, God, for this food. I did not order this food, honestly. In Jesus' name, amen. Alright, cool. Alright. It's pretty good. So what you want to talk about? Because you never said a word ever since I sat down. Ever since we got to this restaurant. You never said a word. I think I'm doing all the talking. I think we're in a hook. Alright. No, honestly, I like this a lot, honestly. Tastes a bit like hot Cheetos. Maybe a little extra spice. Yeah. Got a few messages, honestly. Alright. Alright. So yeah, so how's your day? How's your day? How's your day? How's your day? So you're not gonna say anything? Alright. You're hooking, honestly. You know, you're really starting to aggravate me, honestly. You haven't said a word ever since we entered this restaurant, honestly. Why are you staring at me? You're still looking at me. You know, we didn't even toast. Idiot. Imbecile. Every time I look at you, you look at me. It's starting to really piss me off. I'm getting aggravated, honestly. Every time I pick up my drink, you want to pick up your drink and drink. Every time I eat, you want to eat. It's pissing me off. Every time I pick up my fork, you want to pick up your fart. Getting really aggravated, frustrated, honestly. Pissing me off. Think we're in a hook. You want to go in the bathroom? Come on. What's up?